Hi, I'm Lisa from Tesevo, and welcome to our YouTube channel. At Tesevo, we're dedicated to providing Tesla owners with high-quality, innovative, and eco-friendly accessories that enhance your driving experience. In today's video, we'll introduce you to our premium sunshade, designed to protect your Tesla's interior and keep you comfortable. Our Tesevo sunshade is specifically designed for Tesla models, ensuring a perfect fit and maximum coverage. Made from high-quality, environmentally friendly materials, it effectively blocks harmful UV rays, reduces heat buildup, and prevents your car's interior from fading. The sunshade is incredibly easy to install and remove, thanks to its foldable design and convenient storage bag. In addition to its practical benefits, our sunshade also adds a touch of style to your Tesla. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product updates and tips on enhancing your Tesla experience. Visit our Shopify store to explore our full range of Tesla accessories, and feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Stay cool and protect your Tesla with Tesevo's premium sunshade.